September 21st, 2020. Oh, 22nd. Let's get into the charts. Pre-market high for the NQ 24862.5, midnight open 24858.75, and pre-market low 24748.75. Okay. So current things at play right now are I'm looking to fade any moves, so JPM potential short opportunity. Tesla had a little bit of a gap up overnight. UNH was our long opportunity, but based on the way NQ is setting up, I'm not sure if I want to take that position. But we do have 45 more seconds. If this pukes to the downside, I will have an elevated position to the downside. I'm patient here. I can wait to see if it wants to wick up or down. Okay, we're gonna go long. Okay, out for a small profit. This will be an interesting decision right here. It looked like a lot's happening, but so far only about a 50 cents move. It's okay. So right now we're looking to see what happens at pre-market high and what happens at midnight open. Will we fade the move or will we continue to rip up? So I'm flexible either way. Let's see what it wants to do. Already made a small, tiny positional gain. Ooh, I think this is a little trap. I think it wants to go a little higher. This looks like a trap, so I'm gonna let the trap play out. 9:45 is another time base edge where, yep, that's kind of where the orb has been played out, and then you wait to see kind of the direction of which markets just playing out. No predicting here, just reacting. Let's say this move does potentially fade away, which it shouldn't, but let's say it does. I'm okay with missing it because right now it's not tagging any key levels. It's not telling me to enter the position. Would I feel FOMO? No, I don't think so because it just didn't fit my system. JPM though, let's see. Yeah, we have some market strength. Yeah, Tesla just nuclear. This still looks very bullish. Your stop loss would be down here. I want to trade a much easier setup though. No, it should not give back all the move. If it does, I'd be very surprised. 852. Oh, there is a lot of action happening here. Now it's turning into support. I'm waiting for the trap so that we can fake out all the people that want to go long on the breakout. Just waiting for the trap for JPM. Still above the 21 moving average, so it's an uncomfortable short for me. Oh man, that's very surprising. Come on, Wick. Oh, was that the move I was waiting for right here? And it's leaving me. I feel like I can Wick one more time. Okay. Great. So it was doing a little bit of a retest on the moving averages. Same thing with the not yet for VWAP. 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 Yep, just waiting for the trap for JPM. Right now we're trading in a battle zone, so I'm not drooling at the mouth, and we have no news, so this isn't like a load up the shares and bet the farm kind of trade. It's just some price action analysis. No sweat. Just waiting for the trap to be set. Okay. Man, if I'm honest, this looks like it wants to fail, but if it continues to go higher, we can trade on the upside. 2 more minutes for the orb to play out, and then we'll check to see the direction. Oh man, it's gonna really play with my system, because let's say it does end right in the middle, and it starts to come upward. Orb strategy says to go long, but my original thesis based on what happened in the first 15 minutes telling me to go short. So I mean, it looks like that's what's gonna happen, so that will suck. I'm kind of with mixed signals. I not trade or even go to a light position size, but IBM floor break 311.5. Alright, Orbis set. Yep, like I just discussed 2 minutes ago. It looks like we're gonna go long. This looks bullish, so for the best risk reward, in my opinion, based on my initial analyses, I'm waiting for it to take out all the shorters, and we are gonna go contrarian for a bit. A little bit of a cool down from Tesla's insane move. UNH. Yeah, I still wanna. Right now it's holding strong at this 311 position. Is there a big seller after? I mean, there are big buyers a little bit, but it shouldn't be holding up this well. I mean, we still have some strength on the NQ. Bit of a ball flag as well. We might have missed the JPM move. Being super patient. What's 50% retracement? Oops, clicked the wrong button. Is 836, which it did not hit yet. Every signal is telling me to go long. That's $30. Here's the break of pre-market high. Yep, closed above. I'm okay with risking what's on the table. Stop loss will be underneath the 332. This is going to be an overnight swing for me based on what we have on the strength of everything. Where do I want to target? Yeah, let's see if we can make it back to 342. Okay, so we're looking for at least a 4R here. I'm okay with the risk parameters set there. UNH. Almost a 1R move. Okay, let's see what UNH has in store for us. We made our analyses. I mean, we're just grinding up slowly, so I think this is a shares moment. Reddit basically gave up all of the first 5 minutes. That signals for me a short. Yeah, what we identified after the first 5 minute, it cooled off a little bit and just continued to rip up. $5. Where would your stop be? That's always the key. Where would your stop be? Just patiently waiting, patiently observing. Yep, we have over 1R. Definitely not going to take it off though. Okay, here is the pre-market high break retest that I was waiting for. Finally. Just waiting for a higher low on the 1 minute and then we can enter. Because I was late to this move, I will have a smaller position. Oh, what's that? think I'm okay with some risk on the table here. Okay, took it out. Just a small win. We are just grinding. Yeah, JPM. So I'm just gonna wait for my UNH position to play out. Hopefully we can get it tagged today, but if not, we'll just be holding. Will I TP early depending on what the market is showing us? Possibly, but let me just check on something really quick. Yeah, I think this might be a multi-swing hold until we reach all the way up to an 80. So let's see if it can do 342 here. Let's see if it can do 342. But I do expect it to swing upward. Okay. But other than that, guys, I think we are done for today. The charts are messy. Well, I said it in the wrong way. It's not messy. We're kind of grinding slowly higher. We don't have super large wicks ups or down. So this is kind of a day where you pick your ups and down. You gotta pick your direction or your playbook, and then kind of really hold the position. There's no jumping in and out. That's not where the edge is today. So, with that said, for me, I have not been trading in these types of environments. So you can see by how I took my profits on the earlier trades, I did take 2 calls even though my bias was short. And right now we have a swing position here, UNH, almost hitting 2R, but we're just going to keep letting it ride. Yeah. But thank you for tuning in. We did a small green day today. No losses, just 2 small wins. And then we have this trade going on in the background. This looks like to be a winner, but anything's possible in this market regime. So, with all that said, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. If you're a part of Tesla, hopefully you're making money from that move.